Tuko seti. Tuko fiti. Thank you very much, members of the press and the Fourth Estate, actually for accepting to come for these very brief press briefings. I'm an advocate, Ndegwa, assisted by my colleague advocate, Mr. Gishigo, and Mr. Mwangi, advocate. We're here just to make a very, very brief statement regarding the matter that has been going on regarding our client, Mr. Jogona, also known as DJ Fatxo. There's been a lot of speculation in respect to the sad demise of one Jeff Mwathi. And even as we speak to that speculation, we want to thank the media, because the media has become very proactive in protecting our properties and people's lives. And for that, we thank the media, and even the hashtag Justice for Jeff. We are here because we have cooperated with the institutions that entails or doing the investigations surrounding the demise of Jeff. And we are here to tell the world that our client has nothing to hide. From the day the matter began, and he's going to speak to that, he's actually the person who made the first initial report to the police. If you go and check the OB, it will bear you witness that Mr. Njuguna, also known as DJ Fatxo, is the one who made that very first initial report. From there, he has been cooperating. We have visited the police stations severally. We have given all the accounts of what we know or he knows about the incidents, and the matter is under active investigations. We therefore wish to rest the question of regarding the investigation to that level. But just to make sure that the world knows that we are ready to cooperate with any institution. We also feel strongly that there ought to be justice for Jeff.